Welcome to the Knowledge Channel. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Good day subscribers, beginners, IT enthusiasts, experts, and viewers. We have another episode entitled, How to Install Kali Linux 2021-1. Kali Linux is a Debian-derived Linux distribution designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. It is maintained and funded by Offensive Security. The Kali Linux penetration testing platform contains a vast array of tools and utilities. From information gathering to final reporting, Kali Linux enables security and IT professionals to assess the security of their system. To begin, download the Kali 2021-1 ISO file from www.kali.org/download. Burn it into your USB by using tools like Balena Etcher or Rufus. Balena Etcher is a free and open source utility used for writing image files such as .iso and .img files, as well as zipped folders onto storage media to create live SD cards and USB flash drives. Rufus is a utility that helps format and create bootable USB flash drives, such as USB keys, pen drives, memory sticks, etc. Let's insert the USB disk installer and let's begin. Follow all the screen prompts. watching. If you feel you learned something, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.